Nope.
to go kill some fucking
That's
geese.
shit. That's shit. You sound like a fucking
We're gonna
idiot.
go fuck it up.
Nope, you sound like a fucking... Sup, black hole pounders? We're on a feed today. We're gonna kill some fucking geese. And ducks. There's ducks on here too. Got cornfield. Got a bunch of snow. Bunch of birds. Thad's horny. Look at that little chub down there.
Couple of fucking retards here.
We are gonna kill some birds. Oh god, they're kind of coming down. Dad, we're gonna bust these on the left. Are you ready? Dad, are you ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Shoot him. I dropped 2 of them.
I got one.
Hell yeah, first.
We got 3 of them, dude.
We got the specks and snows, baby. Here, get back in your blind. Get back in your blind. They couldn't work around, so. Yeah. These are specks in front, snows behind. I'm gonna take this speck, Dad. Ready? Go. Fuck.
God damn it, dude. I only had 10.
How did I airball all of those? Shoot him, Thad. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Thad Evans. Thad, we're busting these if they come over the top. No, they're not. Ready? You ready? Thad, shoot him.
Oh, I got that.
That one?
Yeah, right.
Those are specks. No, wait. This one, maybe. Oh yeah, these 4. You ready? Nice shot. Nice shot, Thad. That was you. Oh my god, dude.
Isn't that thing fucking beautiful?
Fucking sexy. I think this is my snow. Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1. Bust them. Got that last one. Damn. Over the top of that, you ready? Kill him there, Ted. I shot 2 of them. Yeah. Ready, Ted?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's 2 more. Airball.
Airball. Oh, yeah. That'd be like all the cool guys on YouTube. I don't know how I missed them.
Dude, I usually never miss those shots. Got like 16 birds down. Whole bunch sitting over there. With fucking Canada spread and 12 homemade goose shells. Hell of a morning. You did not just nut tap yourself with your gun. Nice. Oh shit, that's a snow. Shoot it. Here we go. You ready? Oh fuck, they didn't square up very good. No, no, no. Okay.
You get 3 of them?
2 drakes, 1 hen. Big old green heads. Ready? Shoot him. Shoot the drake. Just the drake. Just the drake.
You got both.
You're lucky I cleaned that one up for you.
Well, I'm out.
These 5, ready? 3, 2, 1.
God damn it. I'm fucking fired.
No, it's on. Dad, give me a hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. I know. No. That was cool. Got it on video too. Turned out to be a good hunt. Snows did it. Specks did it really dirty. The ducks also decoyed hard. We stayed till the afternoon. Thad had to call it quits because he needed to poop. And as we were taking the pile pick, probably seen 150 more ducks, another 100 geese, 50 geese fly right by, you know, just about over us. The ducks tried to decoy into the truck, but phone died, so I didn't even get a video of that. Anyway, real good hunt. Glad with how it turned out. Got a few mountable birds. They're bucket list for us. First snows, blues, and specks ever in our life. So definitely one to remember. We were just about as loaded down in Thad's old little pickup truck as we could be. The Silver Rudy was hauling ass through that field. Oh, oh, oh. Come get some, pussy.